They don't sound as good with the windows down, I'll tell you that. As I said, they don't sound really good with the windows down, but the frameless doors don't. Then this is the 08. Pretty solid, right? Nice. The front doors are longer. This is the 11. The rear doors are a little shorter, so less mass and whatnot, and you can tell. I mean, they don't shut like a Mercedes door by any means, but a little better with the window up, doesn't it? Solid. It's a solid door. This is a newer car, so the driver door is not going to have too much wear, but as I said, the frameless doors don't sound really good with the windows down, but solid. It's a solid door.